remember now. I think we did it. I think we sent him home.
I can't believe that worked. I can't believe I wasn't filming.
Well done, you. You did it. There's only one thing left to do now. That was the final part of the legend. Once you've sucked the fairy back into the mirror, you have to smash it to kill it.
You killed the Pooka?
It was unnatural, Kevin. You said it yourself, it didn't belong here.
Okay, yeah, but you didn't have to kill it.
Sometimes, to do good, you have to be a bit bad. We can't have unreal things running around our world, can we? It's up to us to keep our world pure by destroying them. Now, we'll have to look and see if there are any copies of this videotape. We don't want another Pooka escaping, do we?
Actually, we have to go. Remember, we said we'd meet Mum and Dad.
Okay. Do you have your walkie-talkie with you, in case you want to contact me?
Nice friends you have, Kevin.
I didn't know she was a psycho.
She does know about us, right? That we escaped from video too?
No.
Wait a minute. When the Pooka watched this tape, he got sucked back in. Why didn't that happen to us when we watched our tape?
I don't know. Maybe because we all came out together, so we all have to watch it together to go back in.
Yeah, possibly. No matter what happens, we can't let the caretaker know our secret. We have to get Mum and Dad and get as far away from here as possible.